Funding for Barney and Friends has been made possible in part by a grant from the Corporation for Public Broadcasting and financial support by viewers like you.
There was a little turtle. He lived in a box. He swam in a puddle. He climbed on a rock. He snapped at a mosquito. He snapped at a flea. He snapped at a minnow, and he snapped at me. He caught the mosquito. He caught the flea. He caught the minnow, but he didn't catch me.
Turtles walk kind of funny, don't they?
I read that turtles are one of the slowest animals.
Hi, everybody. Is your turtle slower than this?
Barney.
What's so funny, everyone?
It's just something behind you.
Oh, what is it? Oh, that's funny. I don't see anything that's funny.
It's the dollhouse, Barney. It's stuck to your tail.
What? Oh, I guess it's a little small for me now.
That doesn't happen to turtles.
What do you mean, Carlos?
A turtle shell is just the right size for him, and he doesn't have to share his house with anyone.
But your house is the right size for you and your family, Carlos. And you have your very own room.
Not anymore. My grandmother's been sick, and she's living with my family for a while.
Oh, I'm sorry she isn't feeling well, Carlos.
Thanks, Barney. The doctor says she's going to be all right, but she needs to rest.
So, what does that have to do with your room?
Grandma is staying in my little brother Juan's room, so he had to move into my room.
What's so bad about that?
Juan is pretty cool most of the time, and we have fun playing together, but some of the things he does kind of bother me.
Like what?
Well, I have to share my bed with him, and he makes this funny little snoring sound every night. And he's always tossing and turning and kicking me in his sleep.
Anything else?
Yes, he pulls all the covers over to his side of the bed.
It could be worse.
Not really. He's always making a mess. He's so messy.
Messy?
And he takes up all the room in the closet.
All the room?
Yeah, he does everything I do and follows me everywhere.
Everywhere?
And he always repeats everything I say.
He always repeats everything you say? This sounds serious.
Oh, sometimes it's hard to share something important like your room, Carlos. But I think I have just the thing to cheer you up.
A cowboy hat?
Sure. If your room seems too small, then you need a home like cowboys have, where there's lots of wide open space. You need a home on the range.
Oh, give me a home where the buffalo roam,
where the deer and the antelope play,
where seldom is heard a discouraging word and the skies are not cloudy all day.
Home on the range, where the deer and the antelope play, where seldom is heard a discouraging word, and the skies are not cloudy all day.
Okay, cowfolks, ready to dance? Everybody in and everybody out. Oh, now bow to your partner, boys. Back to your places now. Bow to your partner, girls. Back to your place, get ready to twirl. Do-si-do, high and low. Round this prairie we will go. One more time now, just for fun. Sad to say, our dance is done. Here we go, bow to your partners and on your horse. That's it. I love you, you love me. We're best friends like friends should be. With a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me too?
Thanks for a great day, Barney. We really had fun.
Oh, I had fun too.
See you later, Barney.
Oh, okay, bye-bye. We'll see you later. Bye.
No, what? Thanks again, Barney. Your circus was super-de-duper. Bye.